You're looking for a chainsaw so you can reach up and trim your tree and more from the height by simply pulling the trigger and trimming. This chainsaw may be something that you are looking for your trimming needs. We're going to show you how to set up and what this chainsaw is about. We're reviewing an extension pole chainsaw from AVADA. As we opened up and showing you how nicely they are packaged, protected by foam. It's a 6-inch chain pole saw with an instruction guide how to set up and go over. With the charging cable, plug in, special DIN. The chainsaw, 6-inch. A thumb bolt to remove, add oil, guard protector, hand protector, safety protector, and switch, and battery operated. 3 amp hour battery, AVADA, 21 volt. The charging port located on top. Second battery, 3.0 amp, the release mechanism. A strap to carry and over the shoulder. And a pair of universal gloves. And the pole that extends. Made of metal, clips, extension poles. I stand 6 feet tall, and the pole is a minimum of 1 extension over 6 feet. Dimensions of the pole, maximum 8 feet in length, fully extended. When opening and closing the pole, it is spring loaded. The battery area for the chainsaw. The chainsaw simply slides on and locks into place and adjustable in a number of angles. Placing in the battery to the bottom of the base is simply snapping in with the trigger to start and operate the chainsaw. Optional oil can be added in by removing the cap, adding in, and then squeezing to operate the oil. Removing and changing out the blade is as simple as removing from the pole extension, unscrewing the safety tab, and removing the guard, and simply sliding off and over the unit. Optional blades are offered online. Check for further detail about the product. And replacing the blade is simply placing on, snapping on, putting back the cover, lifting up, and locking down. Rotation of the blade, rotation of lock and unlock, the oil, and the fill level. The trigger, the safety mechanism, the battery location, the vent holes and battery. Align and lock into place, and off you go. Ergonomic grip with rubber, plastic all around, black and yellow. The AVADA 6-inch blade chainsaw. Charging the unit is a green light, plugging in each of the battery for a number of hours to fully charge. With the hook loop fasteners secured down on each of the rings. When securing the chainsaw, slide, lock in, and safely lock in the chainsaw. With the chainsaw and reach closed, opening up one extension, locking, and reaching, and extending to its full maximum height. It looks like fully extended and outward. We have a number of branches that we need to get at up in the tree And we simply can lift up each of the arms up to about 10 feet in full diameter with spring loaded and locking in. Hard to reach all the way up and able to cut branches. We're going to demonstrate cutting this branch right here. Simple and easy to use, up to 6 inches. The AVADA, easy to use, portable. Release the locking tab on the side. Able to switch from pole to handhold to handheld. Your portable chainsaw, 6-inch. Thank you for viewing. Enjoy your chainsaw for your cutting needs.